Hey guys, I have a package that I believe I know what this is, but we're gonna take a look at it just in case I am wrong. I saw this. I get oh yeah, that's what this is. So I get emails from this company. Yeah, they gave me a receipt. Nice. All right, a regular receipt. Okay. All the time. And this was over, I think, Memorial Day holiday. This particular thing came up, and I was like, oh. I was not in search of a new pen. I've actually been kind of slowing down on buying fountain pens. Ever since I bought my Holy Grail kind of pen. But then I saw this. This was a really good price. So I wanted to try it too. I thought it was really pretty. I've seen this before and never got it before because, you know, it's expensive. But, and it's still expensive, but this was, in my opinion, a good price. All right. So let's take a look. And I love my other pen from this company. It is the Jane Austen pen. It's a writer's homage to Jane Austen. I love it. It writes so smooth, of course. And so, but that pen never leaves the house because it's really expensive. And so this one is not that expensive. It's not cheap, but for this particular company, it's relatively cheap. So I'm not gonna lose my mind if something happens. Okay, so this is a StarWalker pen. So let's take a look. Let's see. All right. I like that little aspect with their little floating star. I love it. And then, let's see. Let's focus. It's really neat. I haven't seen an unboxing of this. I'm sure there's probably a million of them. I just haven't seen it. I think they're supposed to have like a serial number under the clip, or maybe not this particular pen. But anyway, I usually like there to be something going on with the body of the pen, like shimmering and all that kind of stuff. But this is classically gorgeous. And for me, this is actually kind of a small pen. I do not have small, dainty hands, and so I generally like a bigger pen, but I'm not unhappy with this at all. So let's see. Oh, that's pretty. Oh, sorry, this is not a fountain pen. This is just a rollerball. No, this is a all right, sorry guys. So let's see. I forgot that I picked this out. They had a rollerball, I think a ballpoint, and then a fine liner, and I was intrigued by the Fineliner because I didn't know that they made that. So, let's see. Nice. Feels a little scratchy, but you know. This is bad paper too. So that's interesting. Yeah, I am gonna enjoy having this with me. So I wonder what will go bad first, the tip or I run out of ink. That's interesting. So let me see what this looks like. All right, so it's just a cartridge. I wonder, I can probably get that cartridge off Amazon or something. And then let's see, this looks like this would post. Yep. And it's lightweight. So, I mean, that hardly added any weight at all. So, yeah. Oh, now that I'm actually writing with it, it does kind of lean to the back. But I'm still going to write with it post. That's comfortable for me. And it makes it bigger, which is more comfortable for me. So, and you can barely feel this. You can barely feel this. So I am super happy with this pen. I don't know if you can see anything on the inside here. A lot of people like an inside shot. All right. So that's that, y'all. And that will go with me. It'll ride in my purse. All right, so that is my StarWalker pen. There's nothing too much in here. Just different languages, I guess the care instructions. All right, so let me know what y'all think. And I will talk to you later. Bye.